That's all water. Holy smokes, man. Now we're finally getting to the oil. That's crazy. That is just water gushing in. That's definitely from somewhere other than this prop shaft seal. Holy smokes. I have a lot of other little leaks. Take this out with that train. Wow, yeah, this lower unit is in pretty sad shape. I'm making a video, okay? Yeah, this lower unit is just caked with oil. I mean, water. Anyway, I have these leaks too here. Maybe there's a gasket goes between the lower unit and the housing here. You can see water dripping right out of there. We also have this leak that happened. This looks like gas dripping down, maybe coming out of the carbs. I don't know what this would be. Oily film coming out of here. Man, this motor's far from ready to go. And then I have this residue here dripping down from where the lower unit meets the housing here. And there's also oil weeping out of here and here. As far as I could tell. There's a lot of stuff going on in there. That's mostly water. The oil's gone. Seems like I got a massive leak in here somewhere. Coming out of the water pump maybe. Guess it's time to take the lower unit off. See what's going on.